In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp group. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp app and then open up some group where you are an admin. Then tap up here at the group name and here scroll down to the very bottom, but unfortunately there you can't find delete group feature. All you have to do is tap on exit group first, then here you can select exit group or mute instead. I'll tap on exit group. And now I have an ability to delete that group, and all I have to do is just tap at delete group. Here I can delete it or archive it instead. I'll tap on delete group, and now as you can see that group has just been deleted. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.